Hi, let's simplify this. I'm going to do that using two methods. So I would like you to tell me in the comment section the method that you prefer. Okay. Now 35 can be expressed as 5 multiplied by 7. Okay, so that means that I can rewrite this equation as square root of 5 multiplied by 7 minus plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 multiplied by 7 minus square root of 5. Okay, so this is equal to, now when you have square root of a multiplied by b, this is same thing as square root of a multiplied by square root of b. Okay, so this is square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 7 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 7 minus square root of 5. Okay, all right. Now this is equal to, let's factorize root 5 since they are common, since it is common, right? So we bring out root 5, open bracket. When this is divided by this, root 7 will remain. Okay, plus when this is divided by itself, 1 will remain, divided by, now here, oh, this bracket is for both of them, sorry about that. So it's going to be for both of them. All right, now the same thing will happen here. Root 5 is here. Okay, now this divided by this, you have root 7 remaining, minus this divided by this, you have 1. Okay, so notice that root 5 will cancel root 5, and we have square root of 7 plus 1 divided by square root of 7 minus 1. Now when you have a sod as your denominator, okay, it's advised that you rationalize the denominator. And what is rationalization? To rationalize your denominator, all you need to do is to multiply and divide by the conjugate of your denominator. Now the conjugate of this is root 7 plus 1. So I'm going to multiply and divide using root 7 plus 1. Okay, so I have root 7 plus 1 divided by root 7 minus 1 times root 7 plus 1 divided by root 7 plus 1. Okay, all right, now this is equal to root 7 plus 1 multiplied by root 7 plus 1 divided by root 7 minus 1 multiplied by root 7 plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to root 7 times root 7, that is root 7 squared, right? Then root 7 times plus 1 will give us plus root 7. Now 1 times root 7 will give us plus root 7, and 1 times 1 will give us 1, divided by, now when you look at this, we have difference of two squares. Yes, the identity that states that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, so this, we already has, the denominator is already in this form, so let's put it in this form. That means our a is root 7 while our b is 1. Okay, so we are going to write that now. So we are going to write this as root 7 squared minus 1 squared. Okay, so this is equal to, this we cancel this and we have 7. Root 7 plus root 7 will give us plus 2 root 7 plus 1, right? Divided by, now this we cancel this, we have 7 minus 1 squared is 1. Now if we solve this, we have 7 plus 1, which will give us 8, plus 2 root 7 plus 2 root 7 divided by 7 minus 1 will give us 6. Okay, now let's factorize. 2 can be factorized from the numerator. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4, and 2 root 7 divided by 2 will give us root 7. Everything divided by 6. So this is equal to 2 will divide itself 1. If we divide 6, we have 3. So we have 4 plus root 7 divided by 3. Now this is the answer. let's go to the second method. But before that, if this is the first time you are seeing this amazing channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell, yes, so that you don't miss any of our amazing videos. Okay, once you turn on the notification bell, you will be notified anytime we upload our video. In fact, you don't need to check for notification because we upload videos twice every day, at least 2 times. So tune in at your convenient time for the new uploads. Okay, and please give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us if you actually enjoyed the video, which I am sure you did. Okay, all right, now let us use the second method to solve for what, to simplify what we have on the board. So to do that, we need to walk straight. This is what I mean by walk straight. Instead of us to start simplifying and simplifying and simplifying, let's do this straight. Okay, now we are going to multiply and divide using the conjugate of our denominator. So let's see which one is even easier. So we have root 35 plus root 5 divided by root 35 minus root 5. Okay, then multiplied by root 35 plus root 5 divided by root 35 plus root 5. Okay, now this times this is the same thing as root 35 plus root 5 squared. All right, divided by, now we've already discussed this is difference of two squares, so it's going to be root 35 squared minus root 5 squared, right? Yes, now this is equal to, now I want us to use a different approach to solve the numerator. Let's make use of the algebra identity, the one that states that a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, let's use this one and solve very fast. Now our a is root 35, our b is root 5, so we have to say a squared, that is root 35 squared, plus 2ab, 2 multiplied by root 35 multiplied by root 5. Okay, now plus b squared, that is root 5 squared, divided by, now root 35 squared, this will cancel this to give us 35, minus this will cancel this to give us 5. Okay, now let's solve, right? Then plus, now let's go ahead and simplify this, avoid doing it twice. This is root 7 multiplied by root 5. Okay, then multiplied by the other root 5, then plus 5, because this will cancel this to give us what, 5. Now divided by 35 minus 5 will give us 30. So this is equal to 35 plus 5 will give us 40, plus 2 root 7. 2 root 7 multiplied by root 5 times root 5 will give us 5, divided by 30. Okay, so this is equal to 40 plus 10 root 7 divided by 30. Now let's factorize the numerator. If we do that, we have 10 open bracket, 40 divided by 10 will give us what, 4, plus this divided by 10 will give us root 7. All right, divided by 30. Now this is equal to 10, we divide this to give us 3, so we have our final answer as 4 plus root 7 divided by 3, just like we got from the other methods. Thank you so much for watching.